buy the ticket.
A few moments later.
We somehow got tickets. I guess this is a hot ticket. And right now we're at peak hour. So expect to pay per adult. You're looking at $9.89 per adult. In USD terms today, it would be $30. A little about $31 USD per adult. So hope you're the big kid that loves dinosaurs, because we're taking to go see some dinosaurs. This is the outside of the ticketing booth. Let's get a move on. Oh, look at that. If you look up, so you're gonna scan your ticket here.
A few moments later.
So just fossilized bugs. Not real bugs, but just like the Jurassic World movies, we had to board a ferry to get to the island. There you go.
This is a ferry to Istanbul. นี่คือเรือเฟอร์รี่สู่เกาะอิสตันบูลนะคะ I hope no one gonna get dizzy right here. So now we are about to depart to Istanbul. Are you ready to go? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna ask again ถือว่าเมื่อกี้ไม่ทันตั้งตัวนะคะ Are you ready to go? Yeah. I love this energy. And now we are ready to depart. Let's call the captain.
Welcome aboard. This is your ferry captain speaking. We're heading to Isla Nublar, the home of Jurassic World, where you'll see real dinosaurs and incredible attractions. You're lucky to be one of the last groups to visit the island today, but keep an eye on the sky. We may get some stormy weather that might make the adventure a bit more exciting.
When dinosaurs ruled the world, many have dreamed of visiting them, witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creature. Welcome you as our guests to step into a new reality over 65 million years in the future. This is Jurassic World.
Alright! No need to be scared, everyone. No need to be scared. It's just a humpback whale. เป็นแค่ความหนักต้นนะคะทุกคนไม่ต้องตกใจนะคะ Everything's under control. No need to be scared. ทุกอย่างอยู่ในการควบคุมค่ะไม่ต้องตกใจตัวค่ะ
Creatures, including the Mosasaurus. The Mosasaurus is almost twice as big as the whale we just saw, and much more aggressive and dangerous. Well, they've been extinct for millions of years. But, lucky for us, the scientists at Jurassic World used DNA to recreate a Mosasaurus that you can see in the park, safely secured in the Mosasaurus lagoon. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to dock.
And now we arrive at Isla Nublar. Shelly's here. Shelly. Red light, green, green. Yeah, there's something strong here. Blue gone missing. Blue is not here. Wow, so where is blue?
Stand now, Blue, stand now. เด็กๆครับไม่เห็นมาอยู่ตรงนี้นะครับโอเค let's move on. Get Blue eyes on me. Okay, eyes on me, Blue. Good job, girls. ทุกคนครับลงให้ดูหน่อยครับไปว่าที่บ้านแล้วพร้อมทุกคน So now I need a volunteer to train hand signal. You wanna try beat hands up? Okay, make eye contact with Blue. And move to the left. Slowly move to the left. Put your hand to the left. จากนั้นครับเลี้ยวไปทางขวานะครับ Move to the right. โอเคทุกคนเก่งมากจะไปด้วยนะครับโอเคขึ้นไปอันนี้นะทุกคนกลับที่เลยนะครับโอเค please back to your spot thank you
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready, the Indominus Rex.
Welcome to the Indominus Rex observation deck. The Indominus Rex is a marvel of modern science. Jurassic World scientists utilized the strength of a T-Rex, the smarts of a Velociraptor, and the size of a Gigantosaurus. Then added a few surprises. Camouflage from cuttlefish, heat regulation from tree frogs, and infrared vision from pig buyers, resulting in the most advanced and dangerous predator in existence. For your safety, please follow the guide's instructions, keeping a secure distance from the glass at all times. Jurassic World proudly presents the Indominus Rex.
The pan's going down now.
Everything is in control. No worries. Everything is in control. No worries.
Observation deck complete.
strike now. Whoa! All right, everyone, please. Don't move, don't move. Alright, guys. Don't move. You cannot see her.
Nothing bit us. Something spit on us.
Yes.
Other than that, I guess it's worth the experience if you like dinosaurs.
Yeah. That's one of stuffed animals, right?
More stuff.
Shirts,
Shirts, of course. Jurassic World is a big franchise.
dolls.
Lots of merchandise.
Okay. So you can walk up to the third floor or you can take the elevator. So let's
We're gonna take the walking.
yes, take the walking experience.
Thank you for watching our video about the Jurassic World Experience in Bangkok. Here we are ending the night at the Fossil and Flame restaurant. It is barbecue, burgers, pasta and pizza with a prehistoric themed dining. You can access the restaurant without entering the Jurassic World Experience from an outside elevator next to the waterfall video wall. Hopefully you have enjoyed the experience so we can bring you more content. This is our first video on the channel. So button up your shirt, pants and jacket. Get outside and explore your world. We have more videos to share. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.